So programmatically, how to find inverse of a matrix? Let's see. So I have a Python code, few lines of code, numpy I used, linear algebra. I have my input array, 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so I calculate the inverse with the help of ainv function. This is the ainv. I imported ainv from linear algebra, numpy's linear algebra module. So let's run the code, python 3 inverse.py. I'll copy this code in the description. So this is my matrix and this is the inverse of my matrix. Okay, nice. Thank you.